Hi everybody, my name's Creatrix. You can call me Trix. Today's video is really exciting because it has been taking me forever to get this out here. I literally have like 3 jobs and this one's my dream, so I need to start making it more of a priority. But you guys mean everything to me, first of all. Second of all, everything's in the description box down below. If you guys want to buy these pants yourself, sevvnswrld.com. All my social media is down below so you guys can tag me if you guys do this yourself. Like, share, subscribe, all my crochet baddies. I'm so excited to teach you guys how to make these yourself. They're so sick. You can just make anything with them, like cross anything. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, so let's get started here with the cross in the middle. We're going to do a slip knot and then chain 3. Then you're going to go into that first chain that we made and do a slip stitch and then chain 3. And then you're going to do 2 double crochets in the hole that we made with the 3 chains in the beginning. Next, you're going to chain 5, and then you're going to do 3 double crochets, and then chain 5, and then do 3 double crochets, and then chain 5 until you have a square box, but in between each box, you have 5 chains. You'll see what it looks like. Once you finish your last chain 5, go into that top chain 3 that we did, and then you're gonna chain 3 and do a double crochet into the double crochet, double crochet into the double crochet, chain 5, and then just repeat what we did on the last row one more time. Finish off with a slip stitch again, chain 3, and then do a double crochet, and then do 1 more double crochet, and then do a half double crochet in all 3 of those of the last round, and then do a slip stitch and cut your yarn, and boom, we made the cross that goes in the middle of the square. Period. Now we're starting on the next row, so grab another color or keep it the same color, and we're going to do a slip knot, and then on the left side we're going on top of those 2 chain rows, and we're going to chain 4, and then we're gonna double crochet and then chain, and then double crochet, and then chain, and then double crochet, and then chain, until you have 7 of those double crochets in one of those sections, and that chains in the beginning count as a double crochet. So when you're all done, it's going to look like this. After the last chain that we did, we're gonna go into the 3rd chain that we did and do a slip stitch, and then you're gonna chain 1 and then single crochet into that same space, and then in the chain space you're gonna double crochet, and then in the double crochet space you're going to single crochet. So you're just going to alternate between a single crochet and a double crochet. The chain space is a double crochet and the double crochet space is a single crochet, so that it can all be the same size. And just continue that all the way around and finish it off with a slip stitch and change your yarn. Once you switch your yarn, you're going to chain 2, and then you're going to double crochet into the next stitch and double crochet into the next stitch and double crochet into the next stitch until you have 5 double crochets on that next row. And then you're going to chain 5 and then skip 1 and then double crochet 5. After your 5 double crochets, you're going to do a treble crochet, chain 1, another treble crochet, and then in the next one from the row before, you're going to do 5 double crochets again, and then chain 5, and then do 5 double crochets again, and then do the treble, chain treble, and then the 5 again until you reach the end of this row. Once you reach the cross, you're going to do 2 half double crochets, and then for the third half double crochet, you're going to go into the last row 2 to join it all together. Then you're going to add your next color and chain 2, and then just start double crocheting into every stitch. And when you get to the 5 chains, you're going to double crochet 2 and then chain 1 and then double crochet 2. So you'll have 5 stitches still in there, but just continue that all the way around. You're gonna end your row again and then add your last color, chain 2, and continue the exact same thing that we did on the last row, and then cut your string, and bam, we did it. Slay, period. Love you guys. Bye.